You got more or no?
Alright. I've got a clip if you need it.
I remember when I flew with Ray that one time. It's the runway by a mile.
Ready?
Alright, I need to...
Who's following who?
You follow me first.
Okay. So then you gotta go underneath and I'll come down.
Yep, I'm just doing the same circles.
Come really close to us. You're turning like before the middle of the runway. Turn like over here. See where I'm going? I'm like clear over here. Yeah. Oh, we were like right there. We go. That's a hit. Oh, you're still going. I launched the battery. There we go. Was that a good hit? Woo! Way over there. It's fine. Is the Dean still connected to it? Okay. It's fine. Let's go. I'm gonna keep flying. It's fine. Is it all dented or is it? Cool. Let's go. Keep going. What? Okay. Alright. I don't care who hits who. I don't care who hits who. I would have if the battery wouldn't have flown out.
You know what happened? I hit you with my wingtip and then I flipped you over because I have
Well,
this,
his
like,
battery's on the outside too. You've got a hatch.
Yeah, well, but, I mean, I didn't crash.
Hey, it doesn't matter. The plane's
This
fine.
time I'm
Oh, look.
just
What you did to the wing.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, it's me.
That's what my 228 one looks like.
Alright, you're gonna hit me this time.
I don't care who hits who. It doesn't bother me at all.
It's funny.
Alright, camera.
Yeah?
Camera's still rolling. That there. There. Yeah, it got windy.
You gonna do the Lenny launch?
Jeez, I'm dizzy now, huh?
Dude, Lenny almost killed us again today when it was assassin time.
That's normal for Lenny.
He throws in his follow through. He still has it. He like.
And he like.
Well, no, he's like. No.
There is no follow through. It's just a.
Well, no, he throws it and then his follow through. He's still got the thing in his hand.
Alright, we're. Should be good, right? Sure. Alright, let's go. Go. Yep, all good. Go ahead and fly. I'll get you. Don't worry.
So I'm gonna go like that far out with the circle?
No, stay close.
Oh,
we don't need to go.
close.
Yeah, close.
Okay. I'll go before the.
So then just make tight circles.
Okay.
That's easier for me to do. So like real tight. You're still going too fast. Like in here. Like within the field. Like you don't even need to go over that fence. Just like right here.
All right.
See like this? See how I'm doing right now?
Yep.
Right in there. Right there.
Alright, y'all just doing circles now? Or what's
I'll catch him right now.
Alright, come on.
No. What are you jittering? You're not supposed to juke. Alright. Just hold your line. Don't even move. You gotta do that. Up you go.
This thing is not stable at all.
Ah! That was right there.
Come on, I'm right there. There it is. Oh my God. Okay, I'm moving out.
Crap. Come back. Got a big chunk of foam hanging off mine. Well, you got an APC prop, that's why.
But my plane shatters.
Oh, you got a mark in yours.
No, that's just his receiver.
Oh my god, that was so cool.
That's just the hole for his receiver.
Our timers are dead on. I'll get you, I'll get you.
This thing is so unstable.
Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
I'm going to straight to the
I know you are, it's not you.
This thing is like, it like there's no...
Whoa!
Oh my,
Whoa!
that's
That was close. I saw his shadow on your plane.
I'm right there. Ah!
Oh, fence!
Make sure the prop's okay. Make sure the prop's okay. All right, go. Prop sounds like crap. Must have cut some of the prop off.
No! I was looking at your plane.
I'll get you, just keep flying straight. Keep going, do your line, and then I'll come up behind you. It's slowing down.
Yeah, your prop's going
That's why, because it was normally really fast.
Yeah, your prop's kind of missing an end.
It's mangled.
Yeah, you're pretty much running into us. Come on.
Ah! Yeah, my prop is gone.
I want to kill. That's not spectacular, though. We have to be there.
Oh,
Race point will be fine. That's it.
Oh my god, we're so close.
what the hell are you doing?
Alright, I'm going down the straight line.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right center.
I'm coming.
That's it. No. Okay, that's it.
Okay, go. Just keep going. I'm not going to change my throttle. Okay, go.
That's it.
Just hold it. Keep it straight. That was bad. That was bad on my end.
Oh my.
Why'd you move?
Keyon,
I was right there. Why'd you move? If you wouldn't have moved, you...
Oh!
Alright, okay, I'm not moving. That's it. I'm going straight, Ray. Do what you need to. Do what you need to, Ray.
Alright, that's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. My prop is all in pieces. That's it. I got another prop. I'll change it. Oh, it's in half. Oh my god, that's terrible.
Max
Okay.
said it was fine. I told him it wasn't.
No wonder why it's barely moving.
Yeah,
That
Max
prop's
just-
not fine.
His prop.
What are you talking about? My prop is fine. There's nothing there. I'm missing over half of it. Alright, I'm gonna do Havoc too.